know why, but I always lose this much hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yanette, and in today's video, as you can tell, I'm in a different setting. Yes, I am in my bathroom. I have been waiting to do this video because I like to try out new hair products and stuff for you guys and let you know how I like them so that you guys don't have to like spend your money on them if I don't like them. Like if they're garbage, I'll let you guys know. As you read by the title of this video, today I'm gonna be testing out the most highly requested hair tool that's been all over Instagram, everywhere. We're gonna be reviewing, or I'm gonna be reviewing for you guys, the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So this is supposed to be like a hairbrush slash hair dryer in one. So this is supposed to like give you that voluminous blowout. I am gonna say, I have seen girls try this out and their hair turns out pretty amazing. I mean, I have not tried it on myself because I'm always like, well, I'm not really good at it, so. But today we're gonna test it out. Like, I'm just gonna do it like as if I'm straightening my hair, except I am brushing it and blow drying it at the same time. Kills two birds with one stone, so I cannot wait to try this. So this is supposed to be tangle-free combination bristles for like detangling, improved volume, and control. It has an oval design, unique airflow vents, multiple heat settings, and a professional swivel cord. I'm actually unboxing this too. I got it and I have not taken it out of the box yet because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's open this box. Now I have a knife in here. Pretty cool, huh? It comes in this little bag and it's attached to the bottom. Okay, now that that's out of the way. All right, so it comes with this. Oh my gosh, this I feel is going to dry my hair so fast. I already have, oh my gosh, I already know I'm gonna love this. This is so different. Oh, I cannot wait. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in, see how it is. So we plugged it in, and we're gonna do, should we do high heat or low heat? Let's see what the instructions recommend. Sometimes these things recommend like for thin hair or for like thick hair what setting to use. It doesn't say. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into sections and then we're gonna get this bad boy started. We're gonna do that last one was cold. That's low. That's low. That's high. We're gonna go ahead and do low heat. Oh my god, my hair is so soft. On to the next side. So already, I am in love with this product. My hair is pretty much, it's dry and it's soft, and it's literally half the time. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head, and then we'll see what the rest looks like. Okay, so let's talk here. What in the world? Well, I clearly have some baby hairs up here that are always gonna stand up like that unless I straighten them. If you know what I mean, they're always gonna be like up like that. I personally like them straight. But you know what? I literally was just in here for 10 minutes doing this. So, oh my God. Oh, yes. Okay. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. The hype, guys, is real. I definitely suggest you guys, if you are looking for a hot tool to blow dry your hair so fast and get that nice, you know, like, oh my God, even like it makes the color look so good. Oh my God. Okay, it looks like I just got out of the hair salon. Guys, I paid $60 for this on Amazon. I will have the link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and buy it, check it out. For sure, I definitely think you guys should. Oh my God, it's like, yes. My hair is so soft, okay? It doesn't feel dry as hell. Okay, well, I really like it. I highly recommend. And you guys should definitely try this out because, oof. See what I mean? These are the little baby hairs, but that doesn't matter. Oh. I feel like,
hey, I'm back to my channel.
oh my God, I love it. Okay, well, I'm really happy about my results. I don't know why, but I always lose this much hair. This is the amount of hair that is always on my brushes. It's crazy, but I'm not worried because it's always like this. I'm always cleaning up my brushes this way. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out right here. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, and most importantly, subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
The next day.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna actually make a quick little trip to Detweiler's because I'm getting an acai bowl. Ever since I went there, I noticed that they have acai bowls, which if you guys don't know what it is, what are you doing? Like, have you ever heard of those? Those are delicious. So I'm gonna go get one right now. And yes, I probably am crazy because it's currently pretty chilly outside and I've got a jacket on, okay? And I'm gonna eat something cold, but it doesn't matter because it's so good. It's totally worth it. So I'm really excited, and we're gonna try to pick up some stuff from there to see what we can have for dinner. So yeah, I'm bringing you guys along with me. Let's do this. Okay, so really quick, I'm gonna do a little Detweiler's haul for you guys. So this is the acai bowl that I got. It just has the acai base. I should research that because I want to learn how to make it. And then it's got granolas, and then I topped it with blueberries and strawberries. Guys, this is so good. And then to prevent from like getting sick and stuff, I am trying to like drink healthier things. So I got this Naked. It's the green machine. This is supposed to be really good. It's got all of like the 5 juices partially from concentrate with added ingredients and other natural flavors. So there's that one. And then I also got it in Power C machine. So this one has 6 juices, oranges, mangoes, peaches, strawberries, yeah, guava puree, peach puree, strawberry puree, and all of that. It actually sounds really good. And then later on today, I really want to take this core shot. It's a potency sea buckthorn cold pressed juice. You're supposed to just drink it like a shot. It's supposed to make you feel good. So that's what we're gonna do later, is take that shot. But for now, I am currently waiting in the car, waiting. Oh, he's coming. Okay. About to eat this acai bowl.
You eating it already?
No, I was doing a little haul. Okay guys, so it is much later in the afternoon. Acai bowl is finished. Energy shot is taken. Now I'm just editing so I could upload this video for you guys. And you guys can see it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end the vlog video right here. Just wanted to give you guys a little inside view of like what my day was like after the blowout. Oh my gosh, guys, literally my hair is so soft, but these hairs on the side here, they are sticking up. It's not, my hair is not messy, it's not dirty, it's just these little baby hairs right here are just in the way. So that's the current hair update. But other than that, yeah, if you guys really want to get that hair volumizer slash hair dryer, go for it. But okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.